Let's take a look at sending an estimate over to Dexter Chaney Enterprise. We first need to go to System Settings, Company Setup, Integrations, and go into the setup of Dexter Chaney. If you've not turned on the Dexter Chaney integration yet, please see the Dexter Chaney setup video. In Setup, we first need to check Enterprise. Next, we need to map out the ProEst cost types with the Dexter Chaney categories. As you can see, they're already pre-filled in. You can change these categories to match the appropriate cost types in ProEst. Down below, we can synchronize phase, materials, and customers. Synchronized phases bring over the phase codes from Dexter Chaney into the ProEst accounting codes. Synchronized materials will look at the Dexter Chaney inventory items and look for the item code that matches a part number in ProEst. If it finds a match, it will update the material cost. Synchronized customers will bring over the customers from Dexter Chaney into the ProEst relationships. If you have more than one company in Dexter Chaney, please fill in the company code first before doing the sync. This will make sure that we bring over the appropriate phases and material and customers. Next, we need to go back up to System Settings, Company Setup, and Custom Fields. Here we're going to create two custom fields. First one's going to be Company Code. Data type, we'll use Pick List. Click Add option and type in the company code for the different codes you have in Dexter Chaney. We'll then check Required. We use company code to make sure we send the estimate to the appropriate company in Dexter Chaney. The second field we'll create is called Cost Center. This can be a text field and also make sure this is required. Cost Center is used to set up the appropriate job in the correct cost center in Dexter Chaney. When you have an estimate ready to be sent over to Dexter Chaney, we can go down to the estimate, click on the Setup, and change the estimate status from Active to Awarded. Please be sure that you have Awarded set to Stage Closed 1 in the estimate status. Also, make sure you have all items assigned to accounting codes, the Dexter Chaney phase codes, to all the items in the estimate. Last, we want to go under Custom and make sure you have your company code and your cost center filled in. We then can click on Save. In Dexter Chaney, under Jobs, we can open up the job. Under Properties, Phases, we will see the phases, the category assigned, the phase description, if any labor or equipment hours were used, and the original cost. We have now sent over an estimate into Dexter Chaney successfully.